We'll guide you through how to add an iCloud to Gmail on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient having iCloud in the Gmail app because perhaps you go and have your other email inboxes in here and so you want to have them together. So to get started, come into Gmail as we've done here. And then what you need to do is you need to go and press on the profile button in the top right. And then what you can do is go down and you want to press add another account. You'll see the option for iCloud. Now, what we're going to do is come out of here for now, open a web browser. I'll open Safari. Let me just go and switch back to the normal browsing mode. Tap on the address bar and you want to go and type in iCloud.com. I'm already being suggested it, so I can just tap there. What you can then do is go and press sign in and press sign in at the bottom and scan your face. Now, what you can do is press your profile icon in the top right and press manage Apple account. You can see your iCloud email there, so remember that. Now scroll down and you need to go and find app-specific passwords and tap there. Then you press generate and you can give it a name. So we'll name this Gmail and press create. I'll go and press sign with password there and go and sign in again. I'll go and press create again. Now I can go and enter in the password. I've now been given an app-specific password. So now what we're going to do is come and return to Gmail. I'm going to go and enter in, press next in the top right. Then I'll go and press next again in the top right. And for the password, we now need to come back. You can copy and paste it, but I tend to just go and copy it just to make sure we do it right. So I'm going to go and type it in now. After you've typed it in, you can press next in the top right and it's going to validate the settings. We can press next again in the top right, enter in the name, and that's it. You've now gone and added it. It's loading, as you can see. We can press the 3 lines in the top left, and that's it.